G'day mates, how's it going? I'm Mr. GT, welcome to the channel. Well, we're on another cruise with the Mercedes Benz Club of New South Wales today. Another beautiful day, as you can see out up in the sky. Very nice. We've got a few cars here, an E55 over there, which is very interesting for me because I own one too. I've never seen one in red, so we'll check that out. Got a few more here with the owners. So we'll cover this for you today. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I was going to take this car today on the cruise. So as you can see, I have the airbag problem. Looks like I'm going to have to replace the airbag, so that's the reason I can't take my car, which was programmed to go on the cruise today. And here's James's 420 SEL once again, in beautiful nick. It is in good nick as he's a detailer. The AMG E55 in red. Actually suits it in red. This could be a special order. I've never seen them in this colour. Not the E55. Even the normal E-Class. It's very rare to see this. It's either 2003 or 2004 model, judging from the interior. Well, apparently Tony's spoken to the owner, and this car is the only one in the world that's come out in red, and it was a special order. The car, I think, when you look up the chassis, it's supposed to be white, but the owner wanted Mercedes to paint it in red, so it's in red. So all these immaculate Mercs, once again, nice, luxurious and sporty AMGs. This one's a special AMG as well here. This is highly modified. Probably find out the specs on this later on. Nice S-Class over there.
I've seen your car around.
And another S-Class once again, the 420 SE. This one's an S600. Very nice. Alright, we've got the bonnet up. Let's have a closer look at this little beast over here of a Mercedes. Apparently it's got a Toyota motor in it.
It's all natural.
Toyota V8.
Lexus V8, 4 litre.
Wow. So tell us again.
It's a
It's your one?
It's a 4 litre quad cam.
Wow.
Lexus motor. And
Check that out,
yeah.
chaps.
Hey, James,
That is fantastic.
what's the car weigh with this whole thing?
1420.
I said 1400, yeah.
It's
1,420
steel
kilograms this car with this setup.
cylinder.
Yeah.
It weighs 1420 now with the aluminium V8. Yeah. Yeah.
Mate, this is astonishing.
So
How much
Fantastic.
horsepower would this be?
it's got 380 at the flywheel. So about 300 at treads at the wheels. Yeah.
It's been a nice job.
Just
They've
nice
done a
power to
nice
weight
job.
ratio.
Fantastic. And we heard this thing idling before, and it's got a nice,
Well balanced.
a very nice idle to it, nice and cammy.
APs on it.
It's always nice to hear Mercedes sounding a bit more like a muscle car. So the engine base looking fantastic, ladies and gents, with a nice carbon fibre. And then check out these rims. Doesn't that look crazy? And have a look at those calipers in there. I'll see if I can zoom in. Look at that colour. Yeah, fantastic. Let's have a look at the back one. It's even wider. Beautiful. That is a very, very nice combination there. Check that out. Lovely.
Look at the little AMG.
AMG on the exhaust tips. Perfect. Have a listen to this. So that nice cammy sound. All the lads are off. There goes the E55. James. Beautiful S-Class. The beast with the Toyota engine. She's a beauty. So 63 500 SL in convertible. There's a CLS 500. There's the AMG at the front. We may get a listen here at the lights. There it goes. So we're back with Tony again, chaps.
Yeah.
G'day, Tony.
How are
Unfortunately, I couldn't bring my car. As you've seen at the beginning of the video, I had a suspension problem. We're going to get a look at it tonight with Tony and one of our friend mechanics. So hopefully it won't be something too big, but I am anticipating that it's probably the airbag. But we will find it tonight. I'll actually probably do a video on that. So keep all the viewers up to date with what's going on with the E55. out in the outskirts of Sydney. A little bit of Australian countryside for my overseas viewers. Some nice greenery. A few farms around here. Nice trees and a few skippies. Skippy the bush kangaroo, if you remember. I've got Sonny Hammond here next to me.
Oh, Skip. Oh, look, barn fight.
E55 much.
Oh, okay.
I'd like to get an idea of what mine looks like on the road. Sound there.
Tune up, you give it in.
Oh yeah, well, you know,
Get rid of some of the dust.
Arrived at our destination, chaps.
too long. I still got petrol left over from the trip to Tasmania.
Got a bit of the beach happening down there. So we're going there. Have a meal and then head back. So we're down at Harbour. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for your support. We'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.